Alright, this is another beautiful scene from Fuad, and I guess he doesn't only do sci-fi, he also does really cool sort of low poly stuff. So yeah, I really like the simplification here of the trees and the buildings, and the lighting is really beautiful too. But yeah, so let's try to mess around with this scene. Thanks for sending it over, Fuad. But maybe the water, I think, would be cool to try to get the water to look like water. So we can just displace it. And let's add subdivision and put this in front and just divide it up to 6 times. And simple. And then we can add a texture to the displacement. And let's go over to the texture tab and change this to noise. And then back here. So it should be doing something. I think it's, yeah, there it is. It's starting to give us a lot of noise, but we can change the strength here down to pretty low. So that's kind of cool. It looks, it's sort of a low poly water. But maybe we can, let's add another subsurf here afterwards. And this will smooth out the water. And that's pretty cool. I wonder, we could probably animate the texture too. Oh, actually, maybe not. It seems like the 2.8 doesn't have the settings of the texture in here yet. But that's okay. We'll probably be able to animate the noise in a later version of Blender. Let's try, you could also try adding the good old irradiance volume. Let's see if this has any effect. If we put it, let's put it over here. That's down here. Indirect lighting. Now I think we have to check this auto bake and bake cube map, and then I'll start to calculate that. And it's bouncing 3 times, which is a little, it's a bit much for right now. I'll just change that. That's neat. It's kind of looking a bit unrealistic there anyway. Maybe not. Maybe these lights could have contact shadows, although they're not really showing up. Maybe like 100 meters. There it is. So yeah, we could select all lights if we go select similar by type, and then let's turn on contact shadows for everybody and make everybody 100 meters. Oh, it didn't work. Damn it. Select similar by type. Come on. I thought we were able to do multi-object editing in 2.8. But I guess I thought wrong. Well, I guess you could go through and... What? How come that one has it? And then this one does... Anyway, I think it looks cool even without this shadow business. And we could also add volumetrics, so go use nodes. Maybe change this to a shader editor. Change this to world, and then add scatter, volume scatter. We plug that into volume, and it gets really dark. Maybe 0.01 density, or 0.001. Let's try a different color. Cool. Alright, and he's already got all this stuff on there. What was the other thing? Colors. Oh, okay, he's already got some colors going on. Okay, I'm going to stop messing with this. But really cool scene. Thanks for sharing, Fuad, and awesome.